Masukin aja, nggak usah ke plastik.
Hello guys, and today we're going to make a tutorial video how I forgot what I'm going to say. Alright, how I make my videos. Yeah, okay, that's how. Now you go into the recorder. So yeah, you're going to see this button right there. Okay, yeah, or whatever that is. But anyways, I'm just going to capture it. And this is the picture. This is the picture. Yeah, yeah. Okay, there's no picture anyways. So you have to press that thingy over there. This the squares. I'm not going to edit this because I don't have much space. So yeah. Okay. All you need to do is go to Chrome and then go here. Here is search Panzoid. Panzoid. Yeah, that's Panzoid. What's this? Okay, so you have to click Clip Maker. Yeah, Clip Maker. Press that. So you can make intros. Yeah, that's how I make my intros. So that's how you make intros. But first, let's go to the rotation. Okay, rotation. Good. Okay, so which intro should we use? We can use a random intro like that. This would be my third intro for the last videos like that. I just last videos except when I died. Okay. Loading, whatever. Yeah. Are you done? You can see the video. Okay. So right here, let's see the sound. Nice music. Okay, let's go to the objects. This thing. Okay. Okay, let's see. New group. Why is everything new group here? Okay. Shape back the whole. Where is it? Where's the title? Cylinder. Test. Yes, this is test name. Pro Fabian. Pro Fabian. Just do that. Okay, Pro Fabian. And then okay, there's three things. 3 Pro Fabian. So what you need to do is just type all in it Pro Fabian or whatever. Let's press this. Go. Whatever. And then go here. This is going to be a long video, I think. So let's speed things up. Yeah. Actually, I'm done. We don't need to speed it up. No, yeah. So all you need to do is just go to the this logo, and then fastest render, whatever. I don't know. Okay. I think we need to press that. Or we need just to wait. Okay, I think we're just going to skip this instead. Skip it is. Skip. Okay. Now let's go to Kinemaster. I use that. And by the way, you have to download movies and you do this. Okay. Now Kinemaster. This is where I let's see. There's a okay. So if you want to do an intro, yeah. I'm going to make like a crazy video, whatever. Okay, but right there. What's email? What's the email? What? I thought it was something. Save it. Let's press the thing. Press that, and then you choose spec radio, whatever. Yeah. Now do this. If you want to enter something, just press this right here. That. Okay, that's it. Now A new intro, guys. Yeah, I know. Let's just type in now the intro.
No coffee in a cup, that's your no coffee in a cup. No coffee in a cup, that's your no coffee in a cup.
Okay, it's not like okay. So we just need to type a video like which one? You want to have effects or something. But first, okay, which one should I choose? Maybe this one? Or my fashion show? Yep, I think this is the one. Okay. And the crazy rock cars. Of course, okay. This is the bridge. Okay, that's me. Okay, let's just zoom in. Zoom in. Boom. Hello. Hello there. Hello, Henson. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so yeah, let's press that. Yep. Intro again. Let's go. Here. Okay, that's me. That's me. Yay! What's this? Now what? Okay. Yeah, that's me. We. Okay. Let's just get it right here, like that. Maybe we should just go it like this. Yep, this is perfect. This is much perfect. Oh, he's all the girls, so yay. Stupid. Why did I went too fast on this one. Okay, okay. Why did she do? What is she doing here? What is okay? That's my classmate. So yeah, you wanna have later? Just press this. Okay, we have no intro in this video yet. So which one? So whatever you want to, like this one, yeah, this. You can just boom. Okay, that just scale down and speed mode, boom, and then boom. Okay, like which one? Oh, I know. Like my favorite movie. Like which one? Moonlight. Okay. White background. Sorry. Okay. Oopsies. Okay. Okay. As the movie. As the movie 13. Movie. Okay, this is cool. I think it's going to be black. Whatever that is, okay, with no shadow, and the font is not perfect enough. It's not perfect, so we have to choose which one? This one? Okay, that's perfect. Okay, now let's go. Okay, which one? Scale down. Boom. Okay. Boom. Just go to the. This is the movie 13. Okay, so we have to do the music. Yeah, I think. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Yeah. So what did I say? Okay, slide left. I think slide right. Boom. Boom. Mirror. Okay, it's the movie 13. Okay. The movie. To get out speed. Now. Okay. Music. Whatever. I'm making. Nope, not this one. Not this one. Nope. Maybe this one. Okay, that's perfect, I think. Whatever that is. Okay. You think? Yep, that's it. Okay. Now we have to. Okay. Nani? Okay. Whatever that was, but yeah. Okay, I'm done with that. There's nothing. Okay. Now, how I upload my videos. What did I say? Okay. If you want to make your own 3D text, just download Pixellab. That's it. Okay. Thanks. If you want to make it 3D, which one? Okay, this one. So you will see this thing. Yep. Enabled. And then boom. Okay, you can how many 3D you want. That's all. Yeah. Really rotate is like this. Boom in the chin and boom and boom. Okay, like this. Like I don't want to say this, but I didn't think this is my. I didn't want this channel name to become that. Like bikin video menjadi. Okay. Now. Okay. I don't want to say this, but I hate my channel name. Yeah, I don't want to name it that, but I can't. I have to wait 90 days. So yeah. Definitely my haters will see this. Okay. Like, boom. Okay, I hate that. Like, yeah, this is where I get quotes. Yeah, quotes. Okay. This is my font. I have my ROBLOX font. I downloaded it. So you can't. You have to download it. I don't begin. Okay, begin to be now what you will be. Okay, this is kind of good. Okay, I'm going to save this. The lighting. This is so good. Okay. Oops. Yeah, this is like a game. It's becoming a game, like a. Whatever that is. Okay, now is that? No. Which one? This one maybe. This is better. I think. What else? 3D shadow. See? Oh my god, that's not it. We don't need a 3D shadow, I think. Don't need it. Reflection. Okay, we don't need it. Okay. Okay. Styles? What styles mean? Okay, nope, that's not it. That's not it. That's not it. What is it? Oh my god, it's tiny. Okay, let's set the background into my face. Okay, transparent away. Okay. This is great. I think this is a tutorial video. This is not a question video. I think this is it. Or this is it. This is okay, I know what to do. Which one? I know which one. Okay. I think this is it. Begin to be now what you will be hereafter. What is that? Okay. Image. Maybe we should do with this one. Think. Or this. Okay, this is good. This is good. Okay. Or we can make it 3D text. Or no. Maybe this is. Maybe this time. Okay. Okay, this is kind of error in this place. Begin to be now what you will be after. Oh, help me! What happened? What happened to my title? Okay, we should read this like this. Maybe this is perfect. Yep, this is must be look perfect. And then boom, this is good. This is really good. It's like, okay, let's save this. Save this. Save to gallery. Save to gallery or share. Okay, whatever. Now let's click this or this. Transparent. If you want it to be like this, just save again and then done. Okay, let's get out of there. Get out of here. And okay. And by the way, download YouTube Studio and verify your YouTube channel. Whatever. Download YouTube Studio. Why did I open share it? I opened YouTube Studio. This is stupid. Okay. Hey. Okay, nice. 30. I thought it was 35. It's 37. Yay. Okay. Okay. Too late. Maybe like this. Hey, what is the intro phase in the video? Really? 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 Okay, I don't know that thing, but so if you want to change thumbnails, just do this. Come here, and then the edit pencil thingy, whatever. Just edit thumbnail and then change over there, but not the jump scare. Okay? It's a green screen effect. All right, I forgot how to use green screens in Kinemaster. And okay, let's just use this. Okay. Just add a little bit of our explosion. Let's do it next. That's mine. Which ticket? Which is the explosion? This one? Okay, this is the one. This is the one for the end of the movie. And boom. And whoosh. Okay, boom. Explosion effect. Press this. Boom. And then boom. And oh my god, it's gone. Now okay, that's it. Okay, now let's go. Okay. It's kind of too fast. It's like boom. Okay, it's explodes. Okay, we should add my whatever that is. Pro Fabian stuff. Where's my Pro Fabian stuff? Where's my Pro Fabian stuff? Okay, there it is. Do this. Beep, boom. Okay, this one. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, boom. Okay, that's amazing. And explode. Yay. Yep, that's it. Hey, what did you see my birthday? Okay, that's just it. Beep. Okay. Ding, 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 ding. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. It is. Begin to be not what you will be hereafter. Okay, that's it. Now guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and just please follow the steps. And there's no outro because that's me the bro. But my kitten, it's my green kitten. Okay, thank you guys. Goodbye.